Pump up a gray 260 balloon almost all the way. Just leave a 2 or 3 finger tail at the end. Then pump up another gray 260 balloon the same amount. Tie the nozzle of both balloons together in a knot. Twist one balloon into a 5-finger loop. Pulling one of the nozzles through the center of the loop can help prevent it from coming undone. Then twist both balloons into 2 6-finger bubbles. Make another 5-finger loop. Try to make sure it's the same size as the other loop. Pull one of the balloons over towards the right loop and twist it into the first twist. Squeeze the 2 balloons together and twist them in the center of the bubbles you've already made. Twist 2 8-finger bubbles together. Use the longer of the 2 balloons for the next few steps. Make a 4-finger bubble. Then bring the balloon back up and twist it into the area that will be the koala's neck. You'll want it to form a triangle shape like this. Then retrace your steps backwards on the other side. Twist in what's left of that balloon at the bottom. This is what it should look like so far. These will be the arms and these will be the legs. Deflate whatever's left of the 2 balloons and wrap the deflated part around the koala. Cut off any extra pieces. Pump up a black 260 balloon about halfway. Don't tie the end right away. Instead, make a 2 or 3 finger bubble in the center of the balloon and then tie the end. Then take both sides of the balloon and tie a knot in the center of the bubble. Then stick the ends of the black balloon in between the 2 front top gray bubbles. Wrap each end of the black balloon around the inner part of the loops. Tuck any leftover parts back in between the 2 gray bubbles. Twist each loop around once and tuck them in between the 2 gray bubbles. Then squeeze the loops to make them a little rounder. Use a Sharpie to draw on eyes and a mouth. If you're at a big event and need to make this koala in a hurry, you can leave it just like this. But if you have a little extra time, you can add one more piece that will give it more dimension. Pump up a white 260 balloon about 1/3 of the way and measure it against the koala's body. It should be just a tiny bit shorter than the koala's body. Wrap one end around the koala's neck. Push the white balloon between the 2 gray bubbles that make up the koala's back. And wrap the nozzle of the white balloon around the bottom twists. Don't forget to cut off any leftover ends. If you'd like to make this koala balloon, you'll need a balloon pump, 2 gray 260 balloons, 1 black 260 balloon, 1 white 60 balloon, scissors, and a Sharpie. If you'd like to buy these items on Amazon, I will leave links in the description below.